Hi all, welcome to our class. So we have studied basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. So now let us discuss some problems. First question, in figure LM parallel to CB. LM parallel to CB or BC. Then LN parallel to CD. LN, this is LN parallel to CD. Prove that AN by AB which is equal to AN by AD. So the question is LM parallel to CB. These two are parallel. These two are parallel. So we have two triangles. In upper part there is a triangle. In lower part there is also triangle. Then this is parallel. So we can easily understand that these are from basic proportionality theorem. So we have to apply basic proportionality theorem. So we have to prove that AN by AB which is equal to AN by AD. So AN by AD. AN by AB is equal to AN by AD. So first we can consider this triangle. So LM parallel to BC. So by BPT we can write that AM by MB. AM by MB. AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. AL by LC by BPT. How to write the reason by BPT? AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. Question number 1. Then next LN parallel to CD. So we can again write AN by ND. AN by ND is equal to AN by ND is equal to AN by ND is equal to AL by LC. AL by LC. This is also BPT. Okay, question number 2. So AN by ND is equal to AL by LC by basic proportionality theorem. So from 1 and 2 the RSS are equal. So we can say that AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. AN by ND. AM by MB which is equal to AN by ND. Now I am going to take the reverse of both fractions. Then if we take the reverse there will be no change. So MB by AM which is equal to ND by just we have the reciprocal both sides, then there will be no change. So AM by MB instead of AM by MB we wrote MB by AM, and AN by ND we wrote ND by AM. Next step is adding 1 to both sides. Adding 1 to both sides. Adding 1 here, then there will be no change. Adding 1 to both sides, that is MB plus AM by AM. Simplification of fractions, that is MB plus AM by AM which is equal to ND plus AN by AM. ND plus AN by N. Simplification of fractions, this is cross multiplication. Here also cross multiplication, we will get MB plus AM by AM which is equal to ND plus AN by AM. So which is equal to MB plus AM. This is MB and this is AM. So MB plus AM means AB. MB plus AM means AB by AM. AB by AM which is equal to ND plus AM. ND plus AM. ND here, AM this, that is ND plus AM means AD by AM. So we got AB by AM which is equal to AD by AM. Now we are going to take the reciprocal on both sides, then there will be no change. Taking the reciprocal on both sides, then there will be no change. That is AM by AB which is equal to AN by AD. So this we have to prove. So we have proved AM by AB which is equal to AN by AD. So using basic proportionality theorem We have to easily prove this. One condition is that we have to take the reciprocal and adding 1. That we have to keep in our minds. So AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So we have another question. In figure, we have a triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Then consider a point O. Then join OP, OQ and O. Then such that AB parallel to consider points A on OP, B on OQ and C on OR. Such that AB parallel to these two sides are AB parallel to PQ, AB parallel to PQ, given things AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. We have to prove that BC parallel to QR. So this line parallel to this is a given thing. This is parallel to this. Then we have to prove that this is parallel to this. This is the condition. So we have to prove that BC parallel to QR. So let us consider the proof. In triangle OPQ, proof. Triangle OPQ. Consider triangle OPQ. OPQ, we know that this line AB parallel to PQ. So we can apply basic proportionality theorem, which means OA by AP which is equal to OB by BQ. OA by AP is equal to OB by PQ. Question number 1 by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So a triangle, consider this triangle, this is parallel to this, then OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ or QB. Then we have given OPR, triangle OPR. Triangle OPR. In triangle OPR, we can say that OA by AP which is equal to OA by AP which is equal to OC by C. OA by AP. That is, this is triangle OPR. This is parallel, so we can apply basic proportionality theorem. OA by AP which is equal to OC by CR. Then question number 2, this is also basic proportionality theorem. So equation 1 and 2, the LHS of equation 1 and 2 are equal. So obviously RHS of equations are equal. Therefore, we will have OB by BQ, which is equal to OC by C. So we have OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. So look at this condition. OB by BQ, this is a triangle. OB by BQ which is equal to OC by CR. So this is ratios are this ratios. This is a line. This is a triangle. This is one side. Then this ratio OB by BQ which is equal to OC by CR. So these ratios are equal. So by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, by the converse of BPT, we can say that BC is parallel to this line is parallel to QR. That is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So BC parallel to QR. So we have proved BC parallel to QR by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Another question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO, AO by BO which is equal to CO by DO. AO by BO which is equal to CO by DO. So we have trapezium. We know the speciality of trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. That's the peculiarity of trapezium. So here AB parallel to CD. So AB parallel to DC. Then we have to prove that AO by BO. AO by BO which is equal to CO by DO. We have to prove that AO by BO which is equal to CO by DO. So first we have to write the given things. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at the point O. Then you have to prove that AO by BO which is equal to CO by DO. Then construction. So next step is construction. We point through the point O, we draw AF, that is F4 parallel to both CD or DC, F4 parallel to DC, and also F4 parallel to AB. So F4 is parallel to both DC and AB. Now we are moving to the proof of that theorem. So proof. We have to prove AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Then proof, that is in triangle DAB. Triangle DAB. First we consider triangle DAB. In triangle DAB, you know FO is parallel to AB, FO is parallel to AB. So using basic proportionality theorem, we can apply that condition. That is DF by FA. DF by FA. DF by FA. This is the triangle. This is part to this. So we can apply basic proportionality theorem. DF by FA, which is equal to DO by OB. DF by FA, which is equal to DO by OB. DF by FA, which is equal to DO by OB. So in triangle ADC, triangle DCA or ADC or DC, consider triangle DCA. Here DCA also FO parallel to DC. So we can apply basic proportionality theorem. So let us take this as equation number 1 using BPT. So triangle DCA, FO parallel to DC. FO parallel to DC. Here FO parallel to DC. Here FO parallel to AB. Here FO parallel to DC. So consider this triangle. Now apply basic proportionality theorem. DF by FA. DF by FA, which is equal to CO by OA. CO by OA. Question number 2, basic proportionality theorem. So basic proportionality theorem. So from 1 and 2, the LHS of 1 and the RHS of 2 are equal. So obviously the RHS are equal. So DO by OB, which is equal to DO by OB, which is equal to CO by OA. CO by OA. So we have to prove that AO by BO, which is equal to CO by DO. So let us transform this OA into LHS and DO into RHS. That is, which implies OA. This we have moved to LHS and DO to RHS. That is OA by OB, which is equal to CO by DO. So OA by OB means OA is equal to AO, OB is equal to BO. Both are same. So OA by OB is equal to CO by DO. This we have to prove. That is AO by BO. OA and AO are equal. OB and BO are also equal. So AO by BO, which is equal to CO by DO. So we have proved AO by BO is equal to CO by DO using basic proportionality theorem.